Sangmala Jule tene e video nanga I'll be sharing about Tibetan traditional houses and its architecture. Nga visit Tibetan architecture school at the Zamjig Smith in Nayanga Tongkan Bonang Shiskan Bon Hijan Yapushirchin. Tene Nijabula you should na comment in a share so that I and another watcher can also know about Ladakh or Tibetan architecture. Nga goma ipot compound thongzani shkodale. Your first impression and observation bo it's very similar to Ladakh shkodale. Jaru it's also just channel.
Kalwa kungi shis nyurmai sotul number tulba la shungwe Lamogangi dupi nadan dek kundu jizan mala chasalo.
The last kampa shkodale old style kampa which were built in 1980s and 90s kun colorful paint chokanji nga mathong shkoda. Tene thongkani itu jamerak but Tibetan houses are very colorful. Iran Sakya Thunpo song and altitude is similar to Ladakh, 3,500 to 4,000 meters above the sea level. To Kampagu ne yoktok po lo leble bilstikste do gyale. Yang stantok po lungme jungne shakhste kapo nishchoste tene rikstilstikste do gyale. Traditional Kampa mangjak po square block shape do gyale and mostly made up of stone and wood and it's very simple and rough in style. Tene singing nijane koi kampe internal layout pongistanin. Tene kampa 2010 mino gyale, so they don't have a stangra. Tene sang demo yale attractive po chokang to gyale. Of course, chokang bongata chosto se jara song person they have richly and beautifully decorated to gyale. In nangata Tibetan symbols and auspicious symbols when you put up paint just to look. Tene koi chokana gyawa yapsha sum jetonka pe school mani chokang changmena complex changmena do gyale. Yang gompa changmena to kushkyoda. Changma in the sense ka nga lepsi. Then conclusion bo in a vast Tibetan areas, the custom of building houses is not exactly the same, but it is very much the same. Shkodale.
Ini thombun guys are rikstadale.
Kung il sipreka Tibetan auspicious symbols kune remote stede gyale. In ordinary people, the room is the center of the family's activities, cooking, eating, sleeping, hospitality, gathering, and other activities are happening in this living room. So the toilet is arranged outside or inside on the first floor and falls on the ground floor just like in Ladakh. Shkodale. Piro charong zase yulji do yale. Tero yaps na balcony kun design bo very similar to Ladakhi traditional houses. I mean the exterior wise hele. Iro balcony wo pilo WhatsApp skitter zase do yale. And this kind of designs you can also find in Ladakh. Compound exterior walls kun it's shrinking upward. It's not in a parallel shape. Like a lay palace and Sheikh Harzoksa, wall are not in a parallel shape. It's like a mountain shape. It's like paying a big attention to the cold and the earthquake prevention and all this stuff, natural disasters. Then it's very interesting and I'll be doing a separate video about it. So they are sagyapa. Iro kampa changme paint kung marpos kusu yale. Marnak maroon in color. Shkoda. And koni main gompa sakya gompe color ang maroon in color paint just to yale. Then it is the Charong the Sayula Charzane, which is around 6-hour drive from Dege village. They follow Galupa sets and compound mostly white paint just to the way. Then a Kong low, Marpo, and a maroon color book on a gompa on a maniscuchiman, Kampa Skuchuchiman Lole. With this, I'll conclude my video here. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.